Hi, Mac here from Prestige Cars Kent. This is a quick video walk around of a 2015 Range Rover Autobiography we have new in stock. This car is finished in Loire Blue. You've got the standard turbine design alloy wheels with the optional privacy glass as well being shown. You've got some of the standard Autobiography features on the exterior of the car being shown here with the matte silver trim. Moving to the inside of the car, the main noticeable feature you've got is the optional upgraded signature Meridian sound system. You can see the huge Meridian speakers sitting on the back of the driver and passenger seat being shown here. You've also got the heated and cooled functions for the rear passenger seats. You've got the full electric functions being shown here on the side of the rear seats. You've got the 20-way movable electric functions for the driver and the passenger in the front. You've got the memory settings on the door for them, and you've got the Meridian speakers as well. You've got your leather-wrapped multi-function steering wheel here. You have the heated steering wheel function as standard with the Autobiography. On the centre console you can see the piano black inlay trims. You've got your climate control functions accessible here just further up. On the centre screen here you can see the heated seat functions for the driver and the passenger and the rear seats being shown. You've got the massage functions available as well as standard on the Autobiography. You have DAB radio as well as satellite TV. You've also got the reversing camera being shown on this screen. And lastly, you've got the full panoramic roof being shown here as standard again on the Autobiography. If you'd like any more information or would like to see the full specification sheet for this 2015 Range Rover Autobiography, please don't hesitate to contact one of our sales team through the number at the end or inquire through our website.